Sarah Leone Beauty here. I wanted to share with you an online beauty community that I've been a member to for a few years. It is called PreenMe, and I actually found them on Instagram, and it is an online beauty community. They have a website, and you can go on there, you make a profile. It's a free beauty community. It's a really cool beauty community. You can go on there and share different looks, and occasionally they have giveaways that you can participate in, and like there will be a certain amount of winners. You have to participate in the giveaway. If you have to do the typical participating in the giveaways, you know what I mean? Nobody asked me to do this video. I wanted to do this video to just share with you this pretty cool community. And occasionally from participating in these giveaways, I've won things. And this is something that I won recently. I can't remember what it is. I remember seeing an email that congratulations, blah, 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 this and that. So I haven't opened it yet. This other side is my address. So let's open it and see what I got. But yeah, you guys, anybody can join PreenMe. I don't think there's any like stipulations on there, like how many followers you have to be part of it. You just put in your social media channels, and yeah, it's not required for me to do this video. Like they didn't say, oh, we want you to do this video, and it's happening again. You hear the sirens? God forbid people are dying. I am joking. Oh my gosh. I'm not stopping this. I'm not stopping this. Because it'll happen again. This happens a lot where the area that I'm at. And if I'm outside. And I want to be outside. Oh, sorry about that. That's life and death. Emergencies. Oh, we got a few things. How nice. Ow, the scissor. Yeah, the scissor stuck in, my finger stuck in the scissor holes, and it just, whatever. Okay, you guys, so we got, excuse me. We have some nice goodies here. Let me pull out just a packing sheet. So, here's the card. Congratulations, you've been chosen as a winner in the Simple on the Go Choose Kindness Challenge. We can't wait for you to try their simpler approach to skincare with these new pouches. Here you have a full skincare routine with the kind to skin cleansing facial wipes, micellar cleansing water, moisturizing facial wash, and hydrating light moisturizer. Don't forget to tag blah 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 blah. 10 grand prize winners will win a $250 CVS gift card. So to tag Simple Skin USA. But awesome, cool. But yeah, you know, I do enjoy this brand of facial wipes. I do buy this. I have used the micellar water, and in fact, I tried one of these type of pouches recently, but that's really cool. So I say thank you to PreenMe, and I say thank you to Simple brand. But yeah, so this is an example of a giveaway, and so yeah, you guys, I've some of the items that I have won through these giveaways through PreenMe are some items that I have discovered and I continue to use to this day. So you guys, I just wanted to share PreenMe and share my little giveaway that I won with you. And there were, I'm not sure how many winners there were for this, but they do always have like multiple winners per giveaway, which is cool. And what they also offer, sometimes if you don't win like the main giveaway, they have like something pertaining to that giveaway, a smaller thing that you can win. I hope I'm explaining that right, but yeah, I would give them a check out. I would check PreenMe out, and if that's a community that you would like to join, go join them. So I will see you later. Have a beautiful day. Bye.